Yo, yo, yo. I'm back out on my snowboard again. I'm in Siestri in Italy. It's the last day, and really I just want to say life is about moments, and we need to create moments every single time. I love snowboarding because it takes you out of your comfort zone. It puts you in a place where you have to focus. You can't be thinking about your debts, your issues, your problems, your challenges. You've just got to focus on getting down that mountain. That leads us to where I am right now. You know, this has been a wonderful trip. I'm in the middle of the snow right now, in the middle of the mountains, and it looks absolutely amazing. Oh my God. So, I'm taking my time today. This is a black run, and yeah, it takes a little bit of getting used to come down this, and also with this camera, the sad thing about this, the great thing about it is it's recording in 360 everywhere that we go, which is fantastic. So it's capturing everything, and this is the first time that I've used it. The one gripe that I have is that it hasn't got tether, so I can put this on my wrist, so if I fell or if I fall, I can still keep control of the camera. So that's the biggest problem that I see right now. However, this is glorious. I'm capturing all of my footage this time round on Insta 360 camera, which when I originally got it, I thought, what the hell, this camera just doesn't really cut it in terms of the quality. But now I've got it, I've used it, it is absolutely amazing. Let's cut to the chase. I'm doing this video primarily because I want all of you naysayers out there, all of you black people who kind of look at snowboarding and skiing and say it's too cold and just think that your whole life should be about the Caribbean and the heat. You need to get out here. You need to see what this is all about, because it is absolutely fantastic. And you know, if you've never skied before, you've never had that sense of adventure, you've never had that sense of returning to your youth in some sense, then this is where you need to be. This is really where you need to be. And there's so many different places to go. And all I can say is you will absolutely love it. I believe that if you listen to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and look for a trip. Get involved with someone like Nubian Ski or Ski Fest, which is the trip that I'm on right now, and come out and enjoy the snow. The thing about the snow is it is completely white. And I'm in the middle of what we could call right now a whiteout, which looks incredible. But yeah, do yourself a favor, put a pair of boots on, get some skis or a snowboard and give this a try. Peace. Yeah, this is beautiful, man. Okay, just to give you an idea of where we come from. Woo! Just get the surroundings. It's crazy. Yours is longer than mine, isn't it? You'll see.
So the girl told me.
Huh?
So the lady told me.
Woo! That was nice.
Yeah, my wrist is hurting, man. I thought, you know what? It's making me a little bit uneasy as I'm riding. I'm just very, I need to try and get out of my head.
Take your time, man. We've got a chairlift coming up now. That'll take us back up to wherever. You still recording? I'm still recording. All I remember is this was quite a long run and it was fun. So, okay, a short stop. Again, it's kind of like I said, I don't know how to use this camera, so this is the first time that I'm using it. And I'm sure you can hear all the whoops and the woes and the close to falling over moments, but I'm still on my feet. Ugh. But yeah, loving every minute of this. This is what it's all about. And this is called, I don't know, should I call this snowboarding while black? We've had a lot of adventures, some good, some bad. One of the ones that will remain in my memory, because every time we come out as a big group, there's about 140 of us, we get to the airport, there's always sniffer dogs. And on this occasion, a Caucasian lady said, "I've never seen this before." And we all just looked at each other. You know, Gatwick, come on, dude. You know, if a group of black people are snowboarding or going skiing or going on a trip, there's no need to get the sniffer dogs out. But anyway, we're gonna enjoy the rest of this trip. We're going down to what is the next chairlift, which hopefully is a good distance away so we can get some real burn on these slopes. So, yeah.